Hello guys, this is the largest Stocklot of bags in China. Every day a lot of foreigners come here to import the bags to their countries and sell with amazing profits. This is exactly the largest stock lot of bags wholesale market in China. You even cannot imagine how cheap the prices are here. But the prices is very cheap. Here also you can find amazing travel bags and also luggages and suitcases. Here are the school bags and travel bags. Wow. The prices is very cheap. Wow. These are lovely bags for the children. Oh. See, here are the wallets. Wow. Here, wow, the foreigners take one container. My God.